Welcome to the fascinating world of the boiling river in the heart of the Peruvian Amazon. Imagine a river so hot it can brew tea or cook an egg. Surprisingly, this natural wonder isn't near any active volcanoes, leaving scientists puzzled. The water, heated deep underground, emerges through Earth's faults, reaching scorching temperatures of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the heat, unique extremophile organisms thrive in its scalding waters, showcasing nature's resilience. For the Ashaninka people, the river holds deep spiritual meaning, known as Shanay-Timpishka, or boiled with the heat of the sun. Over its 4-mile course, the boiling river creates a mesmerizing ecosystem of hot and cool pockets, steam, and mist, a true testament to the mysteries our planet still holds. So, if you're captivated by the wonders of nature, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing world facts. What other natural marvels would you like to explore next?